To achieve a full spectrum color palette in OrcaSlicer, you will need to download the Snapmaker OrcaSlicer fork from GitHub. I've linked it in the description. Once you open the program, head over to the Filament tab. By modifying existing colors or adding new ones, you can create custom mixes, exactly as you would with real paint. For instance, mixing red and yellow will give you orange. However, keep some basic color theory in mind. Pigments have different strengths. In my experience, to get a true vibrant orange, I had to use a ratio of 3 parts yellow to 1 part red. If you try a simple 1-to-1 mix, the red usually overpowers the yellow, and you won't get that bright orange look you're after. By clicking on any mix, you can precisely manage the blending ratios. Once your palette is ready, you can treat these colors like paint. Either use the color painting tool or assign a specific color to an entire element if you have imported your model in separate parts. But it gets even better. You can also create patterns to mix more than 2 colors at once. Just click Add Pattern and design your own custom blend. Let me show you how I do it. If I type 3 and hit Enter, I get yellow. If I then add 2, I get 50-50 mix of those two, creating a secondary shade like a gradient. But if I then add 4, which is my black filament, it will darken the overall tone. Add 4 again and the color becomes even deeper. Why does this work in 3D printing? It's all about optical mixing. Your eye averages the colors when viewed from a distance. It's the exact same principle your monitor uses right now, generating every possible shade using only 3 LED colors. The printer simply swaps the filament layer by layer to achieve the same effect. For best results, I recommend setting your layer height to 0.8 mm and trying to avoid models with shallow angles, as these can make the layer transitions more noticeable. Thanks for watching.